Welcome to MarketTheMagnet. From kitchen must-haves to home upgrades, these clever gadgets make daily life easier, more organized and fun, helping you cook smarter, relax better and enjoy little conveniences that fit right into your everyday routine. All products links in the description section below. Imagine finally having a way to keep everything neat without the hassle, whether labeling jars in your kitchen, tagging products for your small business, or organizing school supplies. This handy sticker printer makes life smoother, more creative, and way more fun every day. Think about summer evenings or weekend get-togethers, fresh slushies, margaritas, or snow cones ready in minutes. With this easy-to-use ice crusher, you'll turn simple cubes into fluffy ice, making parties, family nights, and even solo chill moments way more refreshing and fun. Picture tossing in your ingredients, pressing a button, and letting the magic happen, no constant stirring or checking. This multi-cooker handles it all, from hearty family dinners to quick weekday meals, saving you time and effort while still serving up amazing homemade flavors. Imagine winding down at night with everything within reach: your phone charging, soft LED lights setting the mood, and valuables safely tucked away. This modern bedside table keeps your space organized, stylish, and secure, blending convenience with peace of mind in everyday living. Think about weekend BBQs, game nights, or family picnics, everything neatly organized and kept fresh for hours. This condiment server makes entertaining effortless, whether it's toppings for tacos or garnishes for cocktails, so you can focus on enjoying good food and great company. Morning coffee just got an upgrade: frothy cappuccinos, creamy lattes, or whipped treats in seconds right at home. With multiple whisks and rechargeable power, this sleek frother makes cafe-style drinks part of your daily routine, whether you're relaxing solo or impressing guests. Leftover pizza just found its new home: no more soggy slices or bulky boxes hogging fridge space. This clever collapsible container keeps every piece fresh, doubles as a plate, and makes next day pizza taste just as good, if not better, than delivery night. No more juggling tangled cords or hunting for outlets. This sleek charging station powers your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods all at once. Whether on your nightstand, desk, or packed for travel, it keeps your essentials charged, organized, and always within reach. Fresh corn on salads, soups, or casseroles has never been easier. No knives, no mess, just quick, clean kernels in seconds. This corn peeler turns a once tedious task into something effortless, making homemade meals fresher, faster, and a lot more fun. Weekend breakfasts just got sweeter, whether you love fluffy waffles piled with fruit or crispy golden ones dripping in syrup. With easy pour, shade settings, and foolproof alerts, this waffle maker makes cafe-quality breakfasts at home a deliciously simple part of your routine. Forgot to pull dinner out of the freezer? No stress, this defrosting tray thaws meat and veggies naturally, without microwaves or messy water baths. It's a simple kitchen upgrade that saves time and makes weeknight cooking way less of a hassle. From backyard picnics to everyday kitchen prep, this multi-layer food cover keeps ingredients fresh, safe, and organized. Its breathable, anti-fly design makes it perfect for summer meals, while the stackable, lightweight build saves space and makes storing or serving food a breeze. Imagine sinking into a deep, warm soak after a long day right in your own space, even if it's small. This foldable bathtub brings spa-like comfort anywhere, indoors or outdoors, making relaxation, recovery, or even an energizing ice bath part of your lifestyle. Rain or sunshine, you can still enjoy that perfect char-grilled flavor right from your kitchen. This smokeless grill heats up to 500 Fahrenheit, giving you juicy steaks, burgers, and veggies with beautiful sear marks minus the smoke, mess, or need to head outdoors. From weekend baking projects to everyday cooking, this smart mixing bowl makes prep easier. With filters for eggs or oil, clear sides for perfect mixing, and a drip-free spout, it's a handy little upgrade that keeps your kitchen routine smooth and stress-free. This AI-powered self-cleaning cat litter box uses facial recognition to monitor health, auto-cleans waste, and seals bags, ideal for multi-cat homes, busy owners, or proactive pet health tracking. This cordless soldering iron heats in 7 seconds, offers 6 temperature levels, sleep mode, and wired or wireless use, perfect for precise, portable, and efficient electronic repairs anywhere. These chenille mop slippers clean floors effortlessly as you walk, reusable, and fun for families or guests, ideal for dusting floors, windows, or even cars without scratching surfaces. This high-efficiency, low-noise exhaust fan enhances air circulation as an intake or ventilation system, ideal for grow tents, bathrooms, HVAC setups, or improving indoor air quality. This under-cabinet jar opener offers a secure, one-handed grip for stubborn lids, ideal for seniors, kids, or anyone with limited hand strength, making kitchen tasks easier and safer. This cordless head massager offers 360 scalp relief with 5 modes, 20 nodes, and a smart timer, ideal for stress relief, travel, or gifting thoughtful daily relaxation. These zinc alloy rod furniture connectors offer strong, easy-to-install joints for beds, wardrobes, or drawers, perfect for durable DIY furniture projects or efficient home assembly. This power recliner chair with genuine leather, dual motors, and USB ports offers luxurious comfort and space-saving design, perfect for small rooms, RVs, or ultimate home relaxation. This slushy machine uses rapid kill tech to turn your favorite drinks like juice, soda, or wine into icy treats without ice. With 5 preset modes, texture control, and a 12-hour chill hold, it's frozen drink perfection. These stackable storage bins with lids and handles offer a clear, durable solution for organizing your fridge, pantry, office, or craft room, keeping essentials neat, visible, and easily accessible. This pet air purifier uses CO2, UVC, and negative ion tech to eliminate odors, trap hair, and purify large spaces, perfect for clean, fresh, pet-friendly homes. Draft top can opener removes lids cleanly, turning cans into smooth, drinkable cups. Perfect for cocktails, camping, tailgating, and mess-free sipping with full flavor. Create delicious ice cream or gelato anytime with this 1.5 quart maker, featuring a built-in compressor, dual paddles, timer, LCD screen, and keep cool function. Reusable, stackable food trays with leak-proof lids and stretch film keep food fresh. Eco-friendly, space-saving, dishwasher-safe, and perfect for fridge organization. Heavy-duty, ergonomic scoop glides through hard ice cream with ease, no moving parts. Dishwasher safe and perfect for gelato, custard and other creative kitchen tasks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing home and kitchen finds. Like the video and share your thoughts in the comment section below.